हॅलो. हॅलो.
येस सर, येतोय आवाज.
Now you see the store grain paste in our course title, also the paste of crop and store grain and their management. So now we see the paste of storage grain. Storage grain mainly infected by insect pest as well as non-insect pest. So they cause considerable loss in storage houses by the various insect pest as well as non-insect pest. In India, post-harvest losses caused due to the insect, rodents, microorganisms is near about 10% of a total food grains. So near about 10% loss in each year due to the insect pest as well as non-insect pest. The major economic loss caused by grain infesting insect is not always the actual material they consume, but also the amount contaminated by them or their excreta, which make food unfit for the human consumption. So direct loss as well as indirect loss. Indirect loss in that food material infested by their excreta as well as due to the contamination, and direct loss in that directly that pest infest to the storage grains. So near about 500 species of insect have been associated with store grain product. Nearly 100 species of insect pest of storage products cause economic losses. So in that, two types of infestation is caused due to the pest, mainly primary pest and secondary pest. In primary pest also dividation is that internal feeders and external feeders. So what is meant by primary pest? Primary storage pest and secondary storage pest. In primary storage pest, infestation caused by primary storage pest in two types: internal feeders as well as external feeders. So primary pest means insect that cause damage to the whole grain or sound grain, that is called as a primary pest. Those insect pest cause infestation to the sound grain or whole grain, which is called as a primary pest. Secondary pest means feeds on broken grains or milled products. Milled products means processing of a processed product, maybe atas, maida. These are the processed product. On that also pest cause a damage or feeds on broken grains or milled products. So in a primary pest, first one, that is the internal feeders. So internal feeders means that pest larva feed internally within the kernels or grains or stored material, that is called as a internal feeders. The larva feed entirely within the kernels or grains or stored material, that is called as a internal feeders. Internally feed on the grains, kernels, or stored material. So internal feeder paste, these are the rice weevil, granary weevil, lesser grain borer, pulse beetle, Angmois grain moth. These are the 5 internal feeder paste. Then external feeder paste means larvae and adults feeds on a grain from outside. That is called as a external feeders. In that, hapra beetle, Indian meal moth, rice moth, rust red flower beetle, fig moth. These are the 5 pests which cause externally damage to the grains. Then secondary pest in that saw-toothed grain beetle, saw-toothed grain beetle, long-headed flower beetle, flat grain beetle, or cattle or yellow mean worm. These are the 4 secondary pests. Non-insect pest of a storage grains mainly rats, squirrels, mites. These are the non-insect pest. So first one, primary pest in that internal feeders. First one pest, that is the rice. We will having 2 species, Cetophilus origi and Cetophilus granaris. So rice weevil belongs to family Curculionidae, Curculionidae, order Coleoptera. Rice weevil means this pest mainly cause damage to the stored rice as well as other cereals and their products. Economic importance of that pest, this is the cosmopolitan and polyphagous species found to cause considerable damage to rice. Besides to rice, they also cause damage to several other cereals and their products. Then identification, eggs mainly translucent white in color, plugs the eggs plugs the egg hole with gelatinous secretion laid singly on a grains. Grub mainly whitish in color, often found inside kernels, small in size and without the legs. Pupal stage of that pest mainly found inside the grain. Adult stage, which is tiny weevil, 3 mm body length, body becomes reddish brown to dark brown or almost black in color, 4 wings with 4 light reddish or yellowish spots, and the insect is able to fly, and head of that insect is snoot type. Life cycle, first eggs, the adult female makes hole in the short portion of the grain with the help of its mouth parts and deposit their eggs singly. So mainly their eggs deposited on the soft portion of a grain with the help of their mouth parts. They make a hole and deposit their eggs singly. Each female can deposit near about 250 to 400 eggs during her lifespan. Incubation period is near about 4 days. Larva is near about 19 to 34 days. Pupal stage is near about 6 days. The new adult will remain in the seed for 3 to 4 days while its cuticle becomes hard and mature. So this is the life cycle of a rice weevil. Eggs, so near about 250 to 400 eggs deposited on a soft portion of a grain. Larval stage, mainly larva becomes whitish, small in size, mainly found inside the kernels and without the legs. Pupal stage, which is also in a infested grains in a cocoons, and this one is the adult stage. Host range, mainly cereal crops, wheat, rice, maize, jawar, and paddy. Nature of damage, both adult as well as grub cause damage to the above mentioned host plant and the infested grains which is unfit for the human consumption. The adult damage a small portion of a grain and feeds on a inner content. Those the grains are mostly damaged in a storage, the infestation is carried from the field also. So in that, adults cut the circular holes and heating takes place during the heavy infestation, which is known as a dry heating. When we put the hand in the infested bags due to the rice wheel, the temperature of these infested bags increases, and that is the sign of infestation of a rice weevil infestation. Heating takes place due to the heavy infestation, which is known as dry heating. And infestation is much more in a infested storage grains. This infestation is carried from the field condition. Then granary weevil is also same like a rice weevil, but there is a minute difference between that two weevils. Granary weevils mainly cylindrical wings with ridges. Feeds on prothorax are oval, snout very long as compared to the rice weevil, and does not fly and moves slowly. Rice weevil comparatively small in size than the granary weevil. Wings which are smooth with light patches, short snout as compared to the granary weevil. Pits on prothorax which are becomes roundish in shape, good flyer as compared to the granary weevil, and attract towards the light. So this is the granary weevil. Their snout is comparatively larger as compared to the rice weevil. The next important store grain pest, which is a internally feeder and primary pest, that is the lesser grain borer or hooded grain borer or paddy borer beetle. Scientific name Rhizoporta dominica, family Bostrichidae, order Polyptera. Economic importance of that pest, it is considered to be a second importance after the rice weevil. It is a major pest of the most of cereals. Those usually the infestation in a storage, the infestation is carried out from the field also. Host range mainly cereal crops. Besides cereals, they also infest to the pulses, oil seeds. Mark of identification: eggs deposit on the surface or on the cereal grains singly or in a clusters. Grubs becomes whitish in color. Opodus means without legs. Head is comparatively brown. Free living up to the third instar. Pupal stage, after the third instar, these grubs goes to the pupation. Pupa of that pest is mainly in infested grains or inside the infested grains or outside the grains. Pupal period is near about 7 days. Adult mainly brown or blackish bit. Head is deflexed down towards below prothorax to such an extent that is the almost hidden in a dorsal view. So here is the dorsal view. We cannot see the head of that lesser grain borer because their head is downward below or towards the prothorax. Antenna clubbed type with loose three segments. These are the large three segments, that is the clubbed type of antenna, and their head is mostly deflexed or downwards below prothorax in a dorsal view. Life cycle mainly first one eggs. So near about 300 to 500 eggs, dropping them singly or in groups in loose grains or sometimes on a walls, bags, or in a crevices in a godowns. Eggs mainly small, whitish in color. So near about 300 to 500 eggs deposited by the adult female of lesser grain borer loosely among the grains or also on a walls, storage bags, or in crevices in godowns. Second one, a stage, that is the grub after hatching from the eggs, crawling actively above the grains, feeding, feeding on the floor produced by the boring of the beetles or directly also bore the grains. Larval period is near about 44 days. Pupal period is near about 7 days. Pupal stage of that pest is found either inside or outside the grain. Total life cycle computed within 2 months. 2 months required for the completion of a one life cycle of a lesser grain borer. Damaging stage of that pest, grubs as well as adults cause damage and are the voracious feeders. Warm climate, this pest is mainly or seriously active during a warm climate, attack variety of grains like wheat, rice, jowar, bajri, maize, pulses, paddy, etc. They completely hollow out the grain kernels and only the bran coat is left in a serious case of infestation. Totally inner content of a grain is fed by that lesser grain borer and only the coating of a grains is remain left in case of severe infestation. Grub stage can feed inside the grain or on a floor or on grains destroyed by the adults. So only bran coating is remain in case of severe infestation due to the lesser grain borer. The next important store grain primary pest, which is an internal feeder, that is the pulse beetle. Scientific name Calasobruchus chinensis, family Bruchidae, order Coleoptera. So pulse beetle, their common name indicates that this beetle mainly infests to the storage pulses grain. Economic mark of identification. First, eggs laid singly on grains. These eggs stick on the seed. Fresh eggs are translucent white in color. Larva mainly fleshy, curve, creamy white in color, black mouth parts. Pupation takes place in a pupal cell prepared by the grubs under the seed coat. Adult stage, small in size, near about 3 to 4 mm in length, oval in shape, chocolate to reddish brown in color, active with long serrate type of antennae, brownish gray, elevated ivory-like spots near the middle of the dorsal side. So ivory-like spots near the middle of the dorsal side. Elytra do not cover the abdomen completely, which is called as a pygidium. In the pulse beetle, their elytra is not completely cover the abdomen. That's why it is called as a pygidium. Adults are short-lived. It is harmless and do not feed on this storage produce at all. Only grub stage is infected of that pulse beetle. Then life cycle, eggs mostly deposit on the pulses grain in a godowns. Incubation period 5 days. Larval period is near about 30 to 50 days. Pupal stage, pupal period 5 to 8 days, and total life cycle completed within 25 days. Nature of damage. This is the major pest of pulses like moog, gram, bean, masoor, udid, and cause heavy damage during the monsoon season. Those the pest attack is commonly noticed in a storage. The infestation sometimes is carried from the field where the eggs are laid on a green pods. The young grub burrows into the pod or grain and feed on the inner content and pupate inside the grain, and later emerge as a adult through the exit hole prepared by the full grown grub before the pupation. So this is the infestation of a pulse beetle, mainly circular holes prepared by the grubs at the time of infestation and feed the total inner content of a grains and only remaining coating of that infested pulse grains. Only grub which is harmless to the pulse grains, their infestation is also noticed in a field condition. The next one, pest of a primary feeders, that is the angumous grain moth, Cetotroga seriella gillichidi, order Lepidoptera. This is the Lepidopteran pest, angumous grain moth. Eggs mostly whitish in color, deposit on the surface of damp grain in stores or fields, which soon becomes reddish in color before the hatching. Larva whitish with yellow color of a head. Pupates in a cocoon inside the grain. This one is the adult stage, mainly dirty yellowish brown with narrow pointed wings, completely folded over back in a sloping manner. Life cycle, adult female deposit near about 100 to 150 eggs in grains. There are the 5 instars of a larva. Larval period is near about 28 to 30 days. Then pupal stage, which found inside the infested grains. Pupal period is near about 7 days. And last one, that is the adult stage. Host plant mainly cereal crops, paddy, maize, jawar, barley, wheat, etc. Damaging symptoms, mainly larval stage cause damage to the storage grains. Adult, which is harmless. Grains are hollowed up, mainly hollow if the infestation is serious. It attacks both in a field as well as in stores. The storable grain infestation remains confined to upper 30 centimeter depth only. Mainly their infestation confirm or confined to upper 30 centimeter depth only. Caterpillars or larva enters the grain through cracks or abrasion on a grain. It feeds inside and remains in a single grain only. So this is the infestation due to the angomous grain moth. Then primary pest, in that external feeders, larva and adult feeds on grain from outside. So in that Hapra beetle, this is the major external feeder pest, Hapra beetle. Scientific name Trogoderma granarium, family Dermistidae, order Coleoptera. Economic importance, this is the cosmopolitan species observed in a well under climatic condition where temperature range between 92 to 110 degree Fahrenheit in Indian Union. It has been reported as one of the most destructive pests from all the states. Through it is a serious pest of wheat. It is found to attack other cereals like rice, oat, maize, jawar. Mark of identification, in that eggs mainly deposit on a grains or crevices. Grubs, which is a straw-like colored with dark brown hairy bands on each segment of a body and typical posterior tub forming a tail of a long hairs on the tail portion of that grub having a long hairs as well as hairs also found on the edge segment of a body. It is active, move and feed freely in a manner. Pupal stage, on the surface of the grain in a bulb and overlapping edges of a bags. Adult stage, about 2 to 3 mm long in size, convex oval in a shape with gray and light brown marking, and size abdomen size is comparatively larger than the head and thorax. Life cycle, in that a adult female deposit near about 125 eggs loosely among the grains in her lifetime. 125 eggs deposited on the grains in a lifetime. They hatch in 6 to 26 days. Larval stage become full grow in about 50 days required for the full grow of a larva. Pupation on the surface of a grain in a bulk or in a edges of a bags. Pupal stage lasts for 6 to 17 days. The adults are ready for egg laying in 2 to 3 days after emergence and live for 10 to 32 days under favorable conditions of a climate and shortage of food. The larval period may be long, extend up to 200 days or even up to 400, even up to 4 years if the shortage of a food. Nature of damage: the infestation generally occurs at superficial layer of a grain as they are not able to penetrate beyond certain depth. Only grub is harmful. It causes heavy infestation. It may destroy the entire lot. Only larvae are harmful, usually feed voraciously on embryo of a grains and adverse effect on the germination of a seed as well as destroy the entire grain in a severe infestation and adult which is harmless. So this is the infestation of a khapra beetle, only grub stage which is harmful to the storage grains. Then next, secondary pest external feeders, that is the rust red flower beetle. Why it is called as a rust red? Because their color of that beetle, which is a reddish, rust reddish in color. That's why it is called as a rust red flower beetle. Flower beetle means they mainly infest to the flower. That's why it is called as a flower beetle. Tribolium castanum family, Tenebrionidae, order Coleoptera. Mainly broken grains or mechanically damaged grains, germ portion and milled products. These are the host range. Heavy infestation cause stinking odor in a flower, adverse quality. It is an important pest for mill machinery or mill industry. Identification: eggs mainly whitish in color, translucent, sticky, slender, and cylindrical in shape. Grubs worm-like, whitish cream color, faint strips, whose spines like appendages at the end of a segment. Pupal stage remain loosely in the grains and which are naked. Adult stage oblong, flat, brown or reddish in color, near about 3 to 5 mm size of the adult. Life cycle: mainly adult female of rust red flower beetle deposit their eggs in a or on the grains. Larval stage having a 5 instars. Larval period is near about 18 to 20 days. Pupal stage or pupation of that pest is takes place in a infested grains and pupa, which is a naked. Pupal period is near about 6 to 7 days. Adult stage having a life span is near about 8 to 10 days. Total life cycle completed within the 38 to 44 days. Nature of damage, both grub as well as adult stage feeds on a grain which are already broken or damaged. The pest is more damaging in a milled cereals like atta, maida, suji, which becomes moldy and emit a pungent smell. It is a secondary pest of all grains and primary pest of flour and other milled products. The grain's embryo or germ portion is preferred for the deposition of their eggs. The next one pest, that is the tamarind or peanut bruchid. Peanut means groundnut. Bruchid. Also, this pest infests to the tamarind. Caryodon serratus. Eggs mainly deposit singly and which are stuck on the pod in a filled condition or on a grains in a storage. Grubs mainly fleshy, curved, creamy white in color with black mouth. Pupation takes place in a pupal cell and prepared beneath the seed coat. Adult stage mainly brownish gray with characteristic elevated ivory-like spot near the middle of the dorsal side. This is the sign of infestation of a adult, which is a small, short, active with long serrate type antenna. Elytra do not cover the abdomen, which is called as a pygidium. Adult short life, it is harmless and do not feed on the storage produce. Only grub stage is infested to the peanut as well as tamarind. Circular holes seen on the fruits and seed of a tamarind both in a field condition as well as in a storage condition. Then next one, secondary pest, that is the cigarette beetle. Scientific name Lacioderma sericorni, family Anobidae, order Coleoptera. Cigarette beetle because this mainly infested to the cigarette or tobacco product. That's why it is called as a cigarette beetle. Mark of identification: grubs mainly white, fleshy and hairy hair, mostly hairs on the grubs. Adult stage, which is a small in size, robust in a shape, oval in a shape, light brown round beetle with its thorax and head bent downward and gives the insect as a humped appearance. Elytra have minute hairs on them and are not striated. Nature of damage, in that adult and grubs mainly feeds on a tobacco products like cigarette and chewing tobacco. It also damage to the materials used for furnitures also. This is one of the major pest of a tobacco and furniture. The next one, secondary pest, that is the drug store beetle, Stegobium panicum. Grubs similar to the cigarette beetle but not hairy. Adult reddish brown, round in shape with striated elytra and clubbed antenna. Host range mainly turmeric, coriander, ginger, dry vegetables, animal matter. Nature of damage circular pinhead sized boreholes caused by the grubs. Next one paste, that is the thick or almond or warehouse moth, Epestia cutella. Host range mainly wheat, rice, maize, jawar, groundnut, and spices. Eggs mainly deposit in grains exposed at the sampling tube, spots in a jute bags. Larva grayish white, hair on a larval body with a dark brown head with two dark areas on the first segment behind the head. Pupal stage mainly in silicon cocoons at the time of pupation. This one is the adult stage, mainly dirty, white to grayish in color with black bands on their wings. This is the larval stage of a male as well as female, male pupal stage and female pupal stage of a Epestia catula. Life stage, eggs, larva, pupa and adult. Eggs incubation period 3 to 4 days. Deposit mainly on the grains. Larval period is near about 8 to 10 days. Having 4 instars of a larva. Pupal stage mainly in a infested grains. Pupal period 6 to 7 days. Adult stage having a lifespan is near about 10 to 12 days. Nature of damage, larva is the damaging stage of that pest, mainly feeds on germ portion and leaving the rest of the kernels undamaged. In bulk infestation, its damage is limited to peripheral top layer of a storage. Wave formation covers the bags, floor space, and mill machinery, thereby leading to clogging in a mills. So this is the sign of infestation of that pest. That is the wave formation of a waves. Then next one, secondary pest, that is the rice moth. Scientific name Coursera cephalonica, family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. Distribution mainly in Asia, Africa, North America, Europe. In the larval stage, it is an important store grain pest both in India and Pakistan. Mainly infest to the store grain of rice, sorghum, maize, gram, groundnut, cottonseed, milled products, cocoa beans, resins, etc. This one is the larval stage of a rice moth, mainly dull in color, yellowish or white body with a dark brown head. They have long fine hairs and that cover their body. Adult stage mainly pale grayish brown in color with wings expansion is near about 12 mm. Buff to brown color of a adult, which is uniform and features no distinct markings on their body. The wings may be appear darked, and the hind wings are almost translucent. On their hind wings there is no any markings. It has a 50 to 25 mm long wingspan of the adult stage of a rice moth. Life cycle: a single female deposit near about 60 to 150 eggs during the lifespan of a 24 days. Eggs hatch within 4 to 7 days. Eggs which are whitish, oval or elliptical in shape. Incubation period is last for 5 days. Larval stage: early instars feed on the broken grains, but later instars attack on a sound grains. Larval period is near about 15 to 40 days. Pupal stage takes place inside the silicon galleries. Pupal period 12 to 15 days, and adult lives for 4 to 6 days. Total life cycle computed within a 50 days. Nature of damage: larval stage is the damaging stage of that pest, mainly feeds on the grains of a rice, broken rice, and it causes webbing in the infested grains, which gives offensive smell and make the grains unfit for the human consumption. The next one, secondary pest, that is the Indian meal moth. Scientific name Ploida interpunctella, family Phycetidae, order Lepidoptera. Host range mainly maize, cereals, dry fruits, groundnuts, cereal products. Eggs grayish white with granular surface, laid indiscriminately at night hours. Larva mainly transparent, dirty white. Skin is granular with hair on a body of a larva. Pupal stage: pupa mainly straw-like colored, changes color due to grayish with the age, and they deposit their pupa in silicon cocoons. This is the adult of a Indian meal moth. Forewings basal half, which is a silvery whitish in color or grayish. Outer two-third portion is reddish copper bronze luster type of a color with irregular bands on their forewings. This one is the major pest of a wheat storage. Wheat life cycle: a female deposit near about 200 eggs singly or in a groups on the food material. The eggs and larval period is near about 5 to 7 days. Eggs period is near about 5 to 7 days, and larval period is near about 30 to 40 days. Pupal period is near about 12 to 25 days, and adult which is lives for 2 to 25 days. Near about 6 generations completed, near a 1 generation completed within 60 days. Nature of damage: mainly larval stage is the damaging stage of that pest. Larva cause serious damage to ear and grains of a maize, wheat, contaminate the grain with excreta, cast skin, webbing, dead individuals, and cocoons. Prefer to eat the germ portion and hence lose the viability of a grain. It mainly feeds superficial layer of a storage grain but may construct more than the one silicon tunnels. Then next secondary pest, that is the sweet potato weevil, is also a major pest of sweet potato in a field condition as well as in a storage condition. Eggs mainly deposit in a cavities on a fence or tubers. Grubs, which is a legless whitish in color, having three instars pupal stage inside the vine or infested tubers. Adult stage mainly slender ant-like appearance with a long snoot, shiny black with reddish brown thorax and legs. Head and abdominal portion, which is a shiny black in color, and thorax becomes reddish brown in a color. Host range sweet potato, only sweet potato, not only sweet potato. Symptoms: grubs and adult bore into tubers in field condition as well as in a storage condition. Adult weevils feeds on a vines as well as on a leaves of a sweet potato. So these are the primary pest of a storage grain in that internal feeders as well as external feeders. Okay. Primary feeder, in that rice weevil, granary weevil, lesser grain borer, pulse beetle, angmois grain moth. These are the internal feeders. External feeders, in that khapra beetle, Indian meal moth, rice moth, rust red flower beetle, fig moth. These are the external feeders in a primary pest. Okay, end करो.